way to make racers out of construction paper. So you just need some construction paper, which I recommend because it's a lot sturdier. And you're just gonna cut it into a circle. You can make a bunch of those circles if you want more wheels. And then just take a pair of scissors and cut little inserts onto the circle. And you wanna do that all around and make sure the distance between them is relatively the same. And then the length of them should be also the same. And that's very important. And so once you finish cutting that all around, you're just gonna fold it up and the next one down, and then you're just gonna repeat that up, down, up, down. So when you're finished with that, it should look something like this. And then when you go to put it down on a table, it should lay straight. And you can also do one with a straw in between that connects two of them. This one's a lot sturdier and it won't fall down. And so I'll demonstrate with this one. And so then you just blow some air on it and it should run across the table. Just like that. And so you can set up a finish line and race it with whoever you want to play with.